Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to find clipboard on iPhone. On iPhone, there isn't a direct way to access or view the clipboard like you would on a computer. However, when you copy something, it gets stored temporarily on the clipboard and can be pasted into another app. But you can simply download the app Clipboard from App Store, and there is Clipboard Plus app available there. Just get it. After you download this app, Clipboard Plus Plus is a simple and straightforward clipboard manager app that allows you to save and manage text snippets copied on your iPhone. It provides a basic interface with features like search, favorites, and the ability to edit and share clipboard items. Here you can see I can paste it and it can be saved. Now I can simply tap on it and it will be copied. Then I can go and paste it in whichever app I want to. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.